Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Thursday morning, turned on at the U.S. Open. Did an awesome job. Matter of fact, one of our users just posted that he did very well too. He's up $620 using the Coaster Bot. Coaster Bot is doing very, very well. It is almost, it's not, so don't quote me on this, it's almost a set it and leave it bot, but it's not there yet. And so there are rules that you have to follow. Those rules are pretty simple. As long as you follow those rules, you should be pretty good to have a green day by the end of the day. Now, I run this bot several times. I just run it to hit my 50% goal. When I hit my 50% goal, if I'm wanting to trade more, I reset the bot and start it all over because I want to have my risk management in place. I have my stop loss. Well, here I'll show you. My P&L is right here, $2,100 profit or $3,000 stop loss. Now, not everybody can do that. And as far as when you run the bot, you might get a max loss on it. But if you follow the rules, you shouldn't get it. But that's not to say you won't. But if you follow the rules, you should be pretty good. These right here, we had one winner, two winner, then we had this loss. I almost shut it off here because it was close enough. It was like $1,600. And I almost shut it off because we're at the U.S. Open. I don't like to trade the Open because it usually will do this right here, just going sideways. But it was moving, so I went ahead and tried it, got my first win, and then we had a good swing there, so I got my second win. And my third one, honestly, I thought it would go right up into this area here, but it didn't do it. And so I ended up losing, but it come down, it made money down to this little zone down here, and our fourth one was right here. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. Fifth one was here. So there's 4 wins, 1 loss, 1935. I'll take it, guys. It is definitely something that works well. It's consistent daily. So let's get you started. How do you do that? You go to the SpyMoneyLLC.com. And once you go there, you'll click on the Ninja Suite at the top. You all know the rules or the way to do this. And you have to agree to these 14 items. The number one is SpyBot is not a set it and leave it bot. Don't think you're going to come in here, turn this bot on, go to work, and come back and be rich. It don't work that way. Even if you have P&L settings and stuff, things happen. Prop firms, they have their own little glitches, all of them. They have their glitches. If you're running on a prop firm, they will wear you out sometimes with the stops and everything else, ghost orders and all that. Live account does a very good job. I run live daily, and it does very well. So if you run it on live, it's a lot easier to do than a prop firm. It will run on a prop firm, but again, you're up against all of their shenanigans. And so you want to run a bot by watching it. You don't want to turn one on and walk away necessarily. Now, if you're going to the bathroom or something, it's one thing, but you really ought to be there to watch it, to make sure that maybe you have internet issues or your computer shuts down, or maybe NinjaTrader locks up on you, or anything can happen. So you want to be there. So follow these. If you agree to them, then highlight them, copy them, and then go to your contact us. And when you go there, put in your first, last email and your phone number, right click and paste it here. This is a binding contract between you and I. This means that yes, you read all of those. Yes, you agree to all those and you understand them. We don't want you signing up if you don't understand the rules of what we do at Spy Money. So we want to make sure that you understand what to do and you're doing well. So down here at the bottom, you scroll on down, there's some frequently asked questions. Read through those if you have any questions. Most of your questions will be answered there. And also, we have different drawing tools and such. We do not have a trade copier anymore. I fixed that today. We do have a lot of indicators. However, we don't use the majority of these indicators. We use some levels and so forth on there, and it works very well. So what I would suggest is just right click the chart and use the Coaster Bot levels template, And that way you load that, then you load your bot, and then you've got everything on the chart that you see right here. It'll work good for you. It'll help you. Now let's take a look at what it's done since I maxed out on my profit. So right here is winner. Winner. There's 2, 3 winners, 4 winners, 5 winners, a loser, 6 winners, 7 winners. 7 more winners and 1 loser out of this bunch. So you're looking 6 times 8, $4,800. So if I would have turned my bot back on, I could have hit my 50% goal 2 more times. So it actually does a real good job. I'd like to see you in here. We are going to shut the leases off pretty soon. Once I shut it off, no begging. I won't entertain any more leases once I shut them off. I do not have a date. I do not have an exact number. I stay a small company, and the reason I do is because I like to know everyone, and I like to be able to help everyone. We do a lot of training and so forth, and I know most everybody in here, and I just want to make it to where we're not too big. People like to work with the owner, and that's what I do. I work with each person, not individually necessarily. Sometimes I have to, but for the most part, it's a group effort of helping everyone and doing some live training and maybe building a little extra on the bot or so forth. But Coaster's our main bot. That's what I'm planning on. I don't think I'll ever veer from Coaster bot. It just works so well. But Coaster bot, with my SPY money bars and with my personal levels that I have on here, everything on here that you see right now is proprietary to my company. There is nothing in here copied from anywhere else. This is my technology that we're using, and it works very well. So let's get you in here. Right there's another winner right there. Here's a winner. There's a winner. That would have won right there. It'd already be out of the trade. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let's get you started today. It takes about, if you know how to use NinjaTrader, you can be up and running in an hour or so. And you can run it on Sim and try it out. Once you try it out on Sim and you see how it works, throw it over on your account and go from there. And let's start posting some profits. You guys have a great day, and I'll holler at you later.